Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Many people suffer from migraine headaches. I have two videos regarding migraine relief and prevention. This is the second one. In this video, we will practice a Taoist Qigong exercise that will help to improve the flow of Qi, relieve your migraine headaches, and might help to reduce its frequency. The best medicine is in our body, and let's tap into it. Most often, people who have migraine headaches also have a stiff neck and shoulder issues. The blood circulation going to the head starts from the heart and goes through the neck. These people tend to have blockages near the base of the head. And we will be working with two powerful meridian points located at the base of the head, the wind mansion and the wind pool points. That's Fengfu and Fengchi in Chinese. And to help clear blockages, relax the neck and shoulders, and help qi and the blood flow better into our head. The Fengfu point, the wind mansion, is the spot where your neck meets your head at the base of the skull. It is a master point on the governing channel of the body. When stimulated, it restores the body's natural physiological balance and promotes overall well-being. Wind mansion is efficient to relieve headaches, neck stiffness, mental stress, and fight sore throat, nosebleeds, red eyes, and dizziness. Most people who experience migraine headaches will find this point or a point slightly below it to be tender to the touch. Bring one or two fingers to the back of your head. Gently tilt your head forward and back to find that spot. Next, use 4 fingers on each hand. Press and rub these points. Massage left and right to loosen up the muscles around the area. Massage for 20 to 30 seconds. Keep the chin tucked. Push the crown of your head up. It is very important to hold this neck position. And then press fingers into the area with upward pressure, as if you were trying to pull your head away from your shoulders. If you tend to have circulation issues or have high blood pressure, please avoid the next movement, but continue to apply acupressure and lift your head upward. Make sure your chin is tucked and the mouth is open. At the height of the pole, clench your teeth down. Draw the chin towards the chest. Do 2 sets of 9 for total 18 times of this teeth clenching exercise, longer if you like. Take a couple of relaxing breaths in between each set of 9. Next, we will work on the Fengchi point, the wind pool, also known as the gallbladder 20. The wind pool point is located in the area where the neck muscles attach to the base of the skull, on the lateral side of the tendons, in the hollow between the origins of the trapezius muscles and the tendons. The Fengchi point improves blood flow to the brain and lower blood pressure to prevent high blood pressure. When stimulated, the Fengchi point, the wind pool or GB20, it can improve blood flow to the brain and lower blood resistance to prevent high blood pressure. The name of this point describes how wind might collect in a pool and moves around. This is how sometimes you might feel that the headache moves around along the lateral side of the head. Place your thumbs on these depressions, bending your head slightly forward and then backward again will help you feel these depressions easily. to find the location. Use your thumbs to massage the wound pool in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds. Take deep breaths. Inhale, long breath. Build up for a few seconds, and then release the breath slowly. Press your thumbs firmly into the point and place your pinky finger on cheekbones to give more control. Provide upward pressure and lift your head up. Again, if you tend to have circulation issues or have high blood pressure, please avoid the next movement, but continue to apply acupressure into the wound pool and lift your head upward. The chin should be slightly tucked and the mouth open. At the head of the lift, clench your teeth down. Slightly tuck the chin. Do 2 sets of 9 for total 18 times, longer if you like. Take a couple of relaxing breaths in between each set of 9. You don't need to do these exercises very long. Within 30 seconds to a minute, we are effectively stretching through the spine, creating space between cervical spinal joints that allow qi to move more easily. The clenching of the teeth generates a slight vibration in the head, which stimulates the qi flow. As you go through the motion, you will begin to feel a sensation of warm blood coming up towards the head. Your face will start to flush. The muscles around the neck and shoulders will become more relaxed. Your neck will no longer stiff. Your headache will be dissipating, and your head will become clear. Try to repeat these groups of exercises twice a day. For prevention, or when you first start feeling the slight sign of migraine, do these movements right away. You only need to clench the teeth lightly. This will send oxygenated blood supply into temporal region and to relax muscles on the side of the head and help reduce the chance of full-blown migraine. But if your migraine is already taking over, you will want to clench your teeth forcefully, followed by the hair root pull over the shuaigu, the leading valley point exercise and the acupressure techniques covered in the first video. I will attach a link to the first video at the end of this one. During these exercises, if your head becomes nice and warm, it shows you did it right. If nothing happens, try to refine the techniques while you are not in pain. Also a sign that other health conditions might be present. Friends, these magic points are always there. They cost nothing and there's no side effects. The best medicine is in our body. Let's use it. Please give these techniques a try and let me know how it went for you. Please do share this video with a friend or a family member so we all can explore these holistic self-care techniques. And sharing is caring. If you haven't done so already, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.